The following program contains mature subject matter. Viewer discretion is advised.
One of our viewers on Facebook writes, can you grow your manhood with stem cells? I read about a new procedure that can extend your size, but is it safe?
These are stem cells that are taken out of the belly fat and then re-injected into the fat around the penis. Will they make the penis bigger? Fat chance.
I love it. Well, I couldn't agree with you more, Dr. Spitz. You know, there are penis enhancement procedures that have existed for a while. Part of it is adding fat into the penis. Also, it involves cutting the ligament that suspends the penis to give it a little more hang, and advancing tissue into the top of the penis, so-called V to Y advancement. I've seen this done, and it's not pretty. So guys, don't be happy with what you have. I recommend clean up the neighborhood a little bit, get the rest of your body in shape, do a little grooming, manscaping. It'll all work out.
The biggest cause of a short or small appearing penis is just the droop of the fat ever downward as gravity pulls it down like a glacier. So if you get your abs nice and lean, you trim up like Dr. Orton was saying, you're going to gain some precious real estate back. But, you know, for stem cell therapy at, you know, I think it's about $10,000 for the treatment. The only thing that's going to be getting bigger is the bank account of that company.
But the other thing is, according to the researchers, these men had like normally sized penises, so they just wanted more. Like, how big are you guys trying to get? And you might want to get a little focus group and ask women if that's what they really want. Like, if you're normal, that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, and
the vast majority of men who come in for penis enlargement have totally normal-sized penises. About half of these guys are driven in because of what they see in pornography, and pornography is just an extreme. I mean, that's entertainment, that's fantasy, and those guys are selected because of their particular traits. But when you take measurements and you look around the world and across nationalities, the average size of the penis is about a little under 5.5 inches. That's normal. And so with proper education, most of these guys leave the office feeling better about themselves because they are in fact normal and avoiding a disfiguring surgery.
Dr. Spitz, well put. Thank you for joining us, sir.